Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna take two of these napkin holders. We're gonna just place it side by side like that and put it upside down. Then we're gonna take the zip ties and we're gonna place it through it like that, and then just go ahead and put the string inside and then pull it and tie it up like that. Just tie it really good to tie it into place and then put it up. And then we're gonna take another one and do the same thing. You can also put a little bit of hot glue here just to for better attachment. Then go ahead and cut the extra pieces like that. And then after you cut the extra piece that then you fix it, just flip it around. And we're going to use some floral foam. And this floral foam it wouldn't fit there. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut it out and then just continue measuring and seeing. And then if it doesn't fit, just cut a little bit more until you see that it could fit the whole thing all the way through it. And you're going to do the whole thing around like that. Make sure to attach it with hot glue. And I'm gonna use these roses, these flowers, and I'm gonna place it inside here. In here, you could use a toothpick in the flower and place it inside, or you could use hot glue, or you could use both the hot glue and the toothpick. And then just go ahead and fill it out like that. Just place like this for better attachment so it won't fall apart. So then just go ahead and do that and then just go and flip it around. Once you flip it around, we're gonna do the other sides as well, and we're gonna also do the back, and then we're gonna put some little bit branches on the top like greenery. You could place the candle inside, but if you don't have the smaller candle holder, but I don't suggest you to do it like that. I prefer you guys to use this candle holder. Just place it on top and then place your candle in there and then put more greenery around it. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do. And I think this one turned out super cute and it's beautiful for any party theme decoration. You could do a mixtures of the flower. You could do three candles instead of two. Like I have in here, or you could do different colors. It's up to you guys how you guys want to do it, and I hope you guys like this DIY. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of this little basket, like metal basket, and I'm going to use this plastic container. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the basket. I'm just going to put it upside down and put hot glue, and then after I put all the way around, I'm going to take the plastic container and place it on top in there like that, and then just attach it into place. Then go ahead and spray paint the whole thing in gold. Then once you spray paint the whole thing in gold like this, we're gonna take a few of floral foam and we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue like that, and then just attach it into place like that. Just hold it down for so it could be better attached. Then just continue doing this until you fill out the whole thing with floral foam and for your flowers. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this flower. I'm gonna put a stick in there in the flower, and then I'm just gonna place it around because this one I'm gonna make a little bit a taller version. So I'm not gonna use a toothpick. I'm just gonna use this long stick like that. Just cut it to however bigger you guys want to be the flower to stand out. I'm gonna do a few a little bit greenery. I'm gonna do pink and white. Then I'm gonna take this balloon stick that they have, and I'm gonna put a small balloons in there like that. Just put it through it just to attach it into place. And here you're gonna cut it to whatever size you think is gonna be the same size as the flower, and then just go ahead and place it inside like that. Then just continue attaching gold and pink balloons around it like that because we want to do like a little cute bouquet with flowers and balloons so it can look super cute. This one you could do different color and I think it looks great, but I like this pink and gold. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Super cute, super simple that you guys can do. I think this could be for a birthday party decoration or baby shower. You could do it for any things that you guys like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Now.